Welcome to the vlog. I'm watching a movie. I'm editing the other vlog. And I am waiting for a ride. Okay, bye-bye. I noticed that you have your... 167, bruh, and look at my body fat going down. Oh my god, bruh, I cannot wait to start.
You want that one left to keep, grandma?
October, you know. 2, 3. No man, I tell you, I say 2 over here already all of it. Guys, I'm on my way. Let me see if I can put you guys in here. I'm on my way to the gym. I haven't been in the gym in 1 week, and I swear to God, I'm having anxiety, bro. I need to do something, and I'm still doing intermittent fasting. So now it's after 2. It's 2:02, and I have not had anything to drink. I mean, to eat all morning. I did have the NutriBurst, and I drank the tea, the ISO tea. Did I show you guys that this morning? No, I did it on my WhatsApp, on my Facebook. Sorry, on my Instagram. And then I had it again. No, then I made another bottle. So when I go home before I eat, I just going to drink it. I haven't eaten anything all day, which means my meal is going to be full. But I just did like a bunch of pictures on my WhatsApp. You guys wouldn't know if you don't have me on WhatsApp. And I'm just so grateful for where I am. Yeah, Dennis. Oh no, come on, leave out the banana service. Some dipper. Alright then, cool. Alright then, cool. Remember, some uncle have 1 hour and 15 minutes coming for rush go back. Alright. I'm so excited, you guys. I haven't been to the gym in such a long time. It's just been a week, but I'm so accustomed to going to the gym that if I don't go for a week, I start doing work things. I stand up for a committee, me and my husband. I'm going to do something else, stand up for something else, because I just had nothing to do during that time. And I have videos all set out for you guys for this week already. This is going to probably be a back-to-back vlog. And then for the next beginning of the vlog, I might do like a makeup look for the vlog or a makeup look for the day or something like that. But yeah, so... let me know if the thing is, I know you guys love the vlogs because they get the most views, and my titles and thumbnails are very suggestive and people fast. So yeah, but I have good stuff coming. I have a guest that'll be coming on my video shortly, so I just need to work our times together. But yeah, so on my way to the gym, and I'm so excited. Reunited, and it feels so good. Alright guys, so I'm done. First day back at the gym. It was beautifully horrific. I'm already sore, and it's not time for me to feel sore. But we did like quick sets of stuff because I can't stay long like one time. Everything has been changed for me because my grandma, who used to watch Jaleel, busy now, so is that my times change. So some days, so my times are inconsistent. Some days I'll go and come like at this time after 2. Some days I'll come in the morning like 8 or 9 or 11 or so. So my times inconsistent now, but it was annoyingly good. It was good. It was needed. So yeah, it was needed. I'm in pain, bruh. I 2 for 6, 120 kgs. Leg press 120 kgs. After not working out for 1 whole week. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Wherever the gospel is preached about the world, what she has done will also be told.
So please consider this fragile, susceptible.
Alright guys, so I have not vlogged in forever, probably a couple of days. So today I'm going to take you guys on like a day in the life of. Not much will be done today, and I'm going to take you guys through something like that where I'm not doing much. I'm not going on the road. I'm not going to do no filming today. So I'm going to take you guys through a day like this. So now it is almost 5:30. I'm going to take my ride to go to the gym. I'm going to the gym early today. My times in the gym is really inconsistent now. Sometimes I got this time, sometimes I go like 8:30, sometimes I go after 2. So my times are very inconsistent, and I met my trainer now too. So yes, I'm still working with Dennis, my trainer. And yeah, so this is what I'm looking like, and I have on my Pull Me Fitness, and also I feel really bloated, and that has everything to do with and it's like I think I'm still learning how to take the TLC stuff, so I think I'm going to hold off on doing 2 bags, and also take it how they recommend it, half an hour before, and not like just drink it and then just eat 5-6 hours down the line. So yeah, so day in the life of. Hope you guys enjoy it. So we're going to head out to the gym shortly, and yeah. So guys, as I say, I don't come this early typically. It's because of how my day going. Jonathan not going to school, pulling from school, because this corona thing it's scaring the crap out of me. Excuse me, and anybody can have it. You want to the gym empty fine the other day. Now I come to the gym full, you know. Corona not free of a place. That girl feet right up. Are you joking? Don't do that. And it's so empty, so it's very believable. Oh my heart. This man can't stress out my fear. I'm saying I'm sorry the gym has been quarantined. I'm like, what do you mean? Oh my god. I tell you, nobody's here, but it's just 3 of us that's in here, and this is not usually the case. I'm telling you, it's because of the corona. So like, I need to see more people at the gym, and that's not the case. I'm telling you. And then I saw people like spraying down equipment yesterday, like it's crazy. So I'm going to warm up.
This side.
Jesus Christ. on Instagram listening, talking to you guys actually, because I've been posting a lot about TLC. Lots of you are reaching out to me and they want to become a member. The truth is, I love for you guys to become a member under me so that I can be binary, but also as long as you get the products, you know what I mean? So I'm responding to you guys. I'm heading home. I'm for run go, I'm go bed, and then take Jalil if him wake up, because when I was leaving out this morning, you know, like 5:30, so Jalil well up on a ball, so Jeremy there for take him. So yeah, so heading home. I'm gonna see if I can film today. If I can probably call Lee and ask if I can go over Mama and film today. I'll see if I can do that. So I can look cute for the rest of the days. So you guys can actually have a makeup tutorial in this vlog. You know what I mean? But I want it to be like a bomb sick look. So it's going to involve a lot of colors and all of that. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm heading home. I feel so nauseous, like I really want to vomit. So I'm heading home. Here comes the tutorial. I have so many videos on my brows, but I do have a video on my 2020 brows, and this shape is the best shape I've done. This one's a bit too thick, but you know, whatever. So I'm using Sokoto from oh my gosh, Juvia's Place. I am rolling Jalil in his little walker. The TV's on, but there are two young babies here, so one of them have to keep calm while I'm rolling the other one. So this is what, and I'm glad that I'm doing this because I've always wanted to do a video where I'm showing you guys exactly what I'm doing as I'm doing it, you know, like being a mother, a YouTuber, coming from the gym. So I love this video. I love this video. So you can see like everything. Look where it bend up. You see that? It bend up because it melty in. So I have the fan on too because Jalil is right there. I don't want him to start sweat. I didn't record my full workout routine this morning, and I didn't realize that I didn't press record for one of the moves. But you know, it works out best because I don't necessarily want to post every single workout that I do, because I'm doing it for my body type and the body that I want, and I never understood it until, you know, Dennis started giving me different workouts and I tell him what I want to work on, and that's what we've been working on. You know, like if you don't want the body type that I want, then don't do the workouts that I do, you know, and the intensity that I do it at, and the weights and all that good stuff. Like you have to figure out what body type you want, research it if you can't afford a trainer, and then attack it. You know what I mean? I'm still doing intermittent fasting. That little knowledge I drop on you guys about not doing intermittent fasting every day has not hit me. Still the intermittent fasting every day. I'm going to move this so we can get some more light, because I'm used to it. I've grown so accustomed to doing intermittent. Shoot, me can't move the curtain. Can move the curtain, then the sun I go burn the camera, then the camera will shut off because this camera overheats. So I'm trying to move it to the line of fire. Oh no, Papi, no. Oh no, Papi, don't go there. No, Papi. So I'm using Guinea as my highlight. I was going to say Guinea to highlight, but Guinea as my highlight. So yeah, again, I can't thank you enough for supporting my Lyric Works Out page, and I keep mentioning it because, you know, continued support is always alright. It's always optimal, you know. And it's once it's always in your face, like once it's there in your face, then you're going to know. So, oh yeah, I'm gonna follow Lyric now. You know, oh yeah, Lyric have a so page. So your support really means a lot to me. This one cheap brush with the teeth from a friend. I'll take the pillow job. What? Mama! One cheap brush with the teeth from a friend when we there in Florida. Yeah, so it's juky though. I mean, I really recommend it. I think she bought it at the dollar store. I mean, it really juky, but it's more grab. So I would never use this on a client. Let's just say that. So certain things we use on ourselves as makeup artists or even hairdressers, you know, we wouldn't dare use on a client because it's probably too rough, it's too something. Oh my gosh. Hold on, you guys. My phone going off. Oh. Wow, my friend. Hey, my friend commenting on my workout with Shan. She commenting, oh, results are show, man. Yeah, I'm grateful for that. So yeah, I'm used to doing intermittent fast. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad this is like a vlog style. So I don't necessarily have to go ahead and edit out anything. Let me know what you think about these videos. The truth is, I don't really care what you think. I'm gonna keep doing them because I like authentic videos like these. It's like I'm watching a movie. I'm getting the good, this cat scene that I low lighting with. I'm getting the good, the bad, the ugly, and the indifferent. So yeah. Notice I didn't highlight my forehead, but I'm low lighting it. Yeah. Oh, and I'm doing, okay, so what happened is I have, well, by the prodding of Jermaine, I have actually started to focus more on my one-on-one classes locally, meaning in Jamaica. So if you're there, Mandeville, Ochi, what else? Like in Jamaica, Kingston, Portmore, Negril, you know, St. Elizabeth, you know, like I'm coming to you. I come to you for makeup classes, and I'm also doing them certified and uncertified as well. I provide everything. I provide the students that you're going to need in order, like the model, sorry, that you're going to need, and I also provide the tools and everything. Now the certification is one of completion, and it's for 6 hours. Sorry, the non-certified is for 350 US, and it is for 6 hours. Now you can do those 6 hours within one day, just shoot it out one day, or you can do the 6 hours over a period of 2 days. I prefer the 2-day period because I can actually see a growth from the day. It's easy to spot the growth from the day before, and then it forces you to practice. So I prefer doing the classes within 2 days. But I've had students, because I have students now who are coming down. Well, I don't know if they're coming down again. Let's see what the virus does. But I have students, or I've had students in the past who just come, you know, they're probably on vacation or something, and they just do like the class in one day because they have to go back up the day after or 2 days after. So that can be done as well, and that's for the uncertified one. For the certified class, it is 500. Puppy. So for the certified class, it is 5. Come, me can't. You have to come film. You're not in our camera, you know. You're not in our camera, no, not at all. For the certified class, they want me to lift him out?
Yeah. Alright, just call and tell me, then cancel this evening.
This evening. Because of everything, man, yeah. Enough things I got cancelled, mama. Not even a church I keep Sunday. And the government said church would try and stream online rather than for have the members there. But you know, the Jamaicans and then Jesus, they'll go. All them are going to do is put the blood over the doorpost. Sickness shall, I'm not laughing. Sickness shall not come near my door. I say, well, we live on Psalm 91 like nobody's business. It shall, 1,000 may fall, it shall not come nigh thee. So I'm telling you right now. Oh shit. Oh no, I put this at the wrong place. Dang it. I don't know why something looks like, you know. The darker one should come. Here, see? Yeah. So right, so it is 575 US dollars for the certified course, and it is 350 for the uncertified. And I come to you. I love how this is going to look. I haven't worn makeup in such a long time. Well, I haven't filmed any makeup for a really long time. I've been vlogging though, because I told you guys that no, it's a joke. Chantel, I can't you. Jesus Christ, Chantel. What? No, I can't. I'm going to phone and just say to you. So if my family are calm, no, I can't say on the phone here, so I can at least hear it vibrate. No, Chantel, I can't. You have to live a life good. So this is my, what is the name again? Black Radiant powder. setting everywhere I highlighted. Look at how smooth. Yes, girl. Why you don't like the makeup? I look so smooth in that camera here. What's I could have on the smoothing pan it and be a set not set now. Goods. You have to do good. Right, and I think I know what look I'm gonna do. I know I want to do something colorful. Jordana the worst press powder, but that's all I have, and I make it work. It just doesn't wear well. It photographs nicely, but it doesn't wear well. And right now I have other things I focus on, so I can't even tell you what I really want. I want my NC, what's it, 45 or NC 50? That press powder, the Pro Long Wear press powder from MAC. I need that, but that was like hands down. What did me see? You see that shake something? And jelly not in it. I hope I'm cute stuff. Jonathan and Jalila mama clean like a whistle. Yeah girl, clean like a little whistle. So let's go into the eyes. Let me see if I can zoom you in, zoom you in, zoom you in, zoom you in. You're all zoomed in. So this is my Chat Patter palette from Yardie Cosmetics. I completely forgot. So I'm taking Big Up, and I'm using that to set my brow bone. Using Big Up to set my brow bone, just patting it on. Eh? Huh? Am I asleep? Come put him back. Come put him beside. Wait. Come put him beside. Yeah. Come. Him can stay with Caleb. You can stay with Caleb. No. Oh yes, he's been coughing. Come put him. You have to come put him behind me then. Or if you would have seen a Caleb something, bring Caleb something. Come. You would have seen a Caleb something. I think he's not drinking tea. And he might drop asleep. Alright, so turn him that way here, and then put the pillow beside him. No, turn the other way. Guys, I'm going to fix Jalil. Alright. Good, so he's falling asleep. Then I'm going to take Big Up and then just set above my brow bone as well. Because when I'm taking pictures up there, tend to be a little bit shiny because I never set it. Meaning set it. So me I set it now. More of Big Up on my brow bone. And just blending out on top of my brows. Right, so that's that. So now this can go on the fan officer eye again. So now we can zoom out a little bit down. Don't you? Yeah. So now let's take where you say that orange. I don't have like a look in mind that I'm doing, so I really hope I'm not repeating a look that I've done. So I just like windshield wiper it on, then I'm patting it on. Whenever I pat it on, I get more color payoff. But yeah, I was saying I've now focused on my one-on-one classes locally in light of everything that is going on. I will not be traveling anytime soon, and like I don't even know how long this is going to take to leave, you know, like to go away. I don't know how long the disease is. I don't know, like I've never, this is definitely like a pandemic, as the man said, because I've never been in a situation like this before. The closest I've come to something like this is chikungunya, and that was when I was pregnant with Jonathan. Went back in with the orange, and I actually contracted chikungunya when I was pregnant with Jonathan. The most painful thing ever, because you know your joints pain up and stuff, and I was pregnant and I had all this weight on me. So gosh. So going back in with the pink, And the pink is a little more, so now it's a little more. So yeah, not traveling anytime soon. It's like everybody, what is going to happen to all these companies, these airline companies and stuff, like what's going to happen for real. Alright, so then I can probably do a blue, I'm thinking I could do like this blue, that blue, that blue, or do this purple, this blue, that blue. I don't know. Let me go ahead and just apply my base, because you know I'm all about that. It's about that. It's no trouble. Is that the color? No. Oh my god, where are the colors? Not the black one. So I never have no other color up here. Brown stone, so the nude. God. Look how I forgot to use this now as my little base also. So this is number 11 from, what is the name again? Juvia's. Ooh. Ooh. I sound like a mating call. Like one of them animals them there. Let me see if she's been messaging me. Like, oh no. I'm like, I'm gonna turn it on back there. Look at her. I say, girl. So as usual for the base, you know, it helps with creasing so that your eyeshadows don't crease. But for me, most importantly, it helps the colors to appear more vibrant. You know what I need in life, but I cannot seem to find whenever I go to like Vivian's Beauty Supply, because that's where, because they just don't have pines. I'm gonna just live up here road. It's easy for me to go this one. So I have not been able to find. I'm going to take this brush that I used to do my brow bone. I can't find the LA Pro Primer in white. Like, I can't find it in white, and I really need it in white, and I can't find it in white. I'm just blending out to take away some of the color on top. Yeah, so now let's go in with the colors that I want to use. Let's see what camera shot right off, because I tell you it doesn't work well with like the warmth. So again, I'm going in with the purple. What good? I have the fan on it, so hopefully that's going to do something. And I'm going into the color, like I'm dipping into the color. Then I'm just patting it on. You know what's weird? That one person just infected the entire world. One person infected the entire world. Then I think I'm going to go this one. This is called Ginal. One person. The entire world is infected by one person. One person did this. Just one. I'm not talking about just Jamaica. Just like the singular person that did this. And it just goes to show as well that we're not as far removed as we think. We're not. We are very clearly closely knit, you know. Just going back and forth with the edge of the brush just to blend the colors together. Patting on, then going back and forth. Just do that again. cyan, which is my favorite color of this palette. It's just such a rich pigmented look. At that. Oh, look at him. Yeah. Yeah. I feel like I've done this look before and it's making me so nervous because this look looks familiar to me. But I'm gonna see how I can like make it different or like switch it up or something. I don't know. You don't do. I can't. Oh, I'm gonna just about my phone. Alright, so that's what we're looking like. Let me just even this out right here. Oh my god, in evening it out, I'm pushing it up. Okay, so let's go in with a smaller brush to like blend the edges. LA Pro Primer in black. Look creasing already. One of these videos that so much things have to be taken into consideration. It's annoying actually. Because why am I creasing? Suppose I'm going to do a client makeup like this. That's why how I do my makeup on camera is not how I do it like in person. You know what I mean? Because I know when I rush in, and that's understandable. But there's so much things to be taken into consideration when you're doing a client's makeup. Excuse me. And that's why whenever I do my eyes, I always bring it down to here. See? Creasing solved. Creasing solved. So that dubious place brush, like a dual edge brush that comes in their I think their eye kit or something like that. The one that it dip in and shut off again, man. Let me just zoom you guys in. But yeah, I was saying that I like I don't know what I was saying, but I use the LA Pro Primer in black. This is the old one that I have with done, so I dig in using this brush. And then I'm going to do a wing. That's some old school lyric for your nerve, honey. For your nerve. brush a little, going back in and going on top. Yeah, it timed out again, so going on top to clean up, and then going here to clean up as well to give, you know, a sharper look. See, sharper. So then I'm going to take this brush now and just, you know what, let's take this brush that I use and to just go in and pick up here and pat under here. Pat under there. Then I'm going to be taking, should I take the orange? I'm going to clean off my brush a little bit. Should I take the orange or the pink? Let's go in with orange. So wait a sec. Alright, I'm going to get some. Then I'm going to take this brush that I've been using, put the product there. Then let's clean off this brush, and then let's go in with, let's do Talawa. See how that looks. Oh, actually Talawa is going to come here because it's all shimmery and stuff. So that's where Talawa is going to go. Out of the shimmer. Clean off the brush. And then let's go in with the pink. No. Yeah, with the pink. With the pink. A little more. But I'm just going to add lashes. Ooh, she looking cute. Ah, she's looking cute. So let me take wet on this big ass fan brush, and I'm going to use it as my glow, don't you know? Wet. Eyeshadows for blushes. I started doing them like that with my previous place, and I was like, you know, this has a nice ring to it. Oh my gosh, I'm going to show you guys my back fat when I have my Pumi Fitness. My back fat is so off. But anyway, so I really wish I had a cute lip gloss type thing, but hold on, I might. So these are from a company called the Dynasty Gloss. I'm not really a fan of them because they have glitters in them. I just wish that it was just the gloss and we can move right along, but glitters are in them, and that's what annoys me with this, because glitters in them. So I spoke to her and asked if she could make some glitterless ones, so I'm awaiting those I'm supposed to take the clear one. It's just a clear glass. Jamaican made, handmade obviously. So these are products of Jamaica. She's thick, y'all. She's hella thick, bro. Nah, she's thick, bro. Let me zoom out. Not so much.